Call your best friend with the best treats. Are you tired of store-bought treats with questionable ingredients? I'm baking super healthy and delicious dog treats, and your pup will go crazy for them. Made with all the natural ingredients, these treats are packed with nutrients and perfect for training. As you can see, I tried them myself. There's nothing in nasty what you couldn't eat, but it's just not really sweet as we would prefer the biscuits. But Roxy loves them.